Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Mustika Cynthia Finawafi. You can call me Nina. Today I will be a tour guide on our journey to Radia Pustaka Museum. After this we will walk through the museum and I will give you some information about this museum. And you may note what I explain if you need it. And also you can take your picture, but please don't litter anywhere and stay in the lane of our group because this place is crowded enough. So keep following me. So, ladies and gentlemen, for your information, Radia Pustaka Museum is the oldest museum in Indonesia. This museum, which was founded by Kanjeng Raden Adipati Sosodiningrat IV on 1890. The building, which is now a museum, was previously the residence of a Dutch citizen named Johannes Guslar. Therefore, this museum also has another name, namely Logica Dipol. You can take your picture anywhere. I'll give you time for about 5 minutes, and after this you have to back to me in the place of right there. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the museum, exactly in the first museum, is a room that used of many kinds of puppets. This one, many kinds of puppet. Not only various types of puppets from within the country, such as wayang purwo, wayang gadok, wayang madya, wayang klitik, wayang sokat, and wayang beber. Various puppets from abroad also became part of the collection displayed in this museum. For example, wayang nang from Thailand. So you can take the puppet's picture and don't forget back to me after 5 minutes. So, ladies and gentlemen, we move to the next room, the Tosan Aji room or precious metal room. In this room, various weapons made of metal, statues, and miniature Jaguar house are exhibited, the original home of Central Java. So, for your information, I will show you about weapons in this museum. This is the example, the kind of weapon. This is the weapon made from statues, you can see. And then weapon made from metal. So just enjoy on your vacation in this museum. I will waiting for you for about 5 minutes on the right there. So if you have done of take your picture, you have to back to me. So ladies and gentlemen, now we arrive in the third room. There are various types of ceramics in this room. The majority of ceramics that are stored in this space are relic of the Dutch colonial period. On the one of wall in this room, various 7 plates are displayed. Now I will show you about the ceramics in this museum. This is the kind of ceramics in this museum. And this one is 7 plates. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have done walking tour in this place, which is Radia Pustaka Museum. So I say thank you for visiting here and thank you for using our Nana Nina Agent Travel. Care of your health and your safety on the way home. So thank you and see you on the next trip.